Software engineers, this job alert is something you should not miss. A fast-growing AI startup, HappyRobot, is hiring forward-deployed engineers for remote work from Chennai. If you have experience in back-end APIs, Python, software systems, or customer-facing engineering roles, this can be a big opportunity for you. Let me quickly explain roles, skills, and how to apply. Hello everyone, welcome back to Daily Jobs Alert India. Today, I have an excellent remote tech job update for software engineers and experienced IT professionals. Happy Robot Incorporated is hiring for the role of forward deployed engineer, and this is a full-time remote opportunity based in Chennai. Let's quickly understand this role. The position is forward deployed engineer, which usually combines software development, back-end engineering, customer problem solving, and deployment support. This is a very strong opportunity for professionals with experience in Python, fast API or backend APIs, cloud deployment, debugging, production support, and client-facing engineering. HappyRobot is an AI company building intelligent systems and AI workers for enterprise operations. They work on real-world automation use cases such as customer service, operations, recruiting, and workflow automation. This means candidates with experience in AI, backend systems, cloud technologies, APIs, and system integration have very good chances. This job is best suited for software developers, backend engineers, Python developers, fast API developers, support engineers, cloud engineers, and full stack engineers. Freshers may find it a bit difficult as this role is better suited for candidates with 2+ years of experience. Remote jobs from good startups usually receive a huge number of applications, so I strongly recommend that you apply fast. I have added the official application link in the description. Please make sure to apply only through the official Happy Robot careers page and do not pay money to anyone. If you want daily private and government job updates, subscribe to Daily Jobs Alert India and press the bell icon. I post verified opportunities every